Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks. It's late October, 12 degrees and 85% humidity. The sun is about to set and we're out for foxes with a preview of the new Pulsar Thermion 2 LRF XG60 to see what it can do with its bigger 40mm ocular lens, bigger 65mm of eye relief, bigger 2560 OLED display, bigger 60mm objective lens with a bigger 4x base mag. It gets dark really quickly this time of year, too dark for my standard SLR, so it's over to digital night vision that can see the invisible 800-meter laser rangefinder, pinging the distance to do something amazing with a Pulsar ballistic calculator, all at the press of a button. Want to see it? Watch this. The red cross, that's the point of aim, automatically shifted for 649 yards. Now at 104 yards. The 4x native mag brings the target closer, but you can digitally zoom the whole screen in steps or increments to be really sure of your shot. 280 yards with a massive display, that's clearly a fox. 241 yards. No need to work out the holdover, it's all done for you for these foxes. And for the ultimate foxing view, it's just one press to switch from zooming the whole screen to combine a wide 4x view with a digitally zoomed picture-in-picture window up to 32 times. Foxing control, gamekeeping, it just got a whole lot easier with a Pulsar Thermion 2 LRF XG60. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thanks for watching.